Hey there, I'm Holly, the Chief Wrangler here at the Giles Frontier, and I'd like to welcome you to the family. I thought this was the perfect place for us to meet up for the first time, in my kitchen, where all the yummy recipes came from for this season's free download. Farmers Market Fresh is full of ideas and recipes to get you excited about sharing education with your children through nature and community. Yesterday, my boys and I got to go to a blueberry farm and pick tons of blueberries. Aren't they gorgeous? And they're yummy too. You know, picking as a family at the farm was a lot of fun, but there was a lot of learning happening as well. Grayson and Grant got to meet the owner. Her name was Melanie, and she shared her story with us on how she even got to start growing blueberries, what her seasons look like, and some pretty incredible information about blueberries that I didn't even know. And that is what this unit is all about, showing you how to take a simple community venue and wrap it in education. It's the best way to learn. So last night when we got home, the boys and I made that lemon blueberry jam. The recipe's in your download, and it is so yummy. Now, if you're not ready to start canning yet, I get it. So I know that the recipe for our homemade granola bars is gonna be a hit in your house this summer. So join us every week here at the Giles Frontier. We have something for everyone. Our mission is to encourage and inspire, along with educating through the power of nature and community. Now, check out some of our posts before you go, especially the one about camping. I know it's going to give you a good laugh.